Hey there, I'm Maurice, a product designer at Loom. I, along with my design colleagues here at Loom, am responsible for the rebranded web app, Chrome extension, and desktop app experiences. And I wanted to share a little bit with you about how we got here. It started with our exceptional brand team, who did a phenomenal job establishing the next iteration of the Loom brand. They thought through difficult problems like our brand promise and story, uh, and the visual elements which would help express deeper, more emotive qualities embedded in the brand experience. These visual elements, which included things like our new logo, typography, color, illustration, and so many others, laid the foundation for our product design team's exploration of these elements within the product. So what we did from a product design team perspective is, in order to quickly surface a collection of ideas around how we might translate these visual motifs into the product, we enlisted the help of everyone on our team. Over the course of a week, maybe it was 2 weeks, each designer produced their own version of how these styles would manifest in the product. We came away with a number of interesting concepts, some of which merited a lot of further exploration. I had the tall task of consolidating these explorations and applying them to all of Loom's web surfaces, identifying elements that worked well and needed work along the way, and finding opportunities to enhance the product experience. The goal being to create the perception that all of Loom's key experiences were designed by a single hand, resulting in a consistent web experience. I continued in collaboration with the brand team, exploring type, color, iconography, layout, and various other elements, essentially redesigning the entire Loom experience from the ground up. The design extended to all of our primary services, including smaller devices, thanks to Kim Walker, Loom's mobile designer. Throughout the design process, we worked in lockstep with our brand team to ensure continuity across all of Loom's web properties and solve for visual constraints we encountered for things like accessibility, essentially developing a symbiotic relationship where product design fed into and sometimes enhanced brand, and vice versa. This resulted in a rich, thoughtful experience across all of Loom's web properties, which endeavored to account for all of its users. Given the fact that we work in the context of a larger team, in addition to touching each of these services, we also managed to create a comprehensive component library. This is just an example of some of the styles contained in this component library which we created to ensure that each product designer in their respective roles had access to the tools that they needed in order to do their job efficiently and consistently. We hope we like what you see. We're looking forward to continually iterating on the product experience.